SVT WRC and 845 Rally RU. We are on our way on an epic journey. One of the most influential USA rally shops. We are going to VSC, Vermont Sports Car, and I'm super excited. We're going to go see a bunch of friends and go take a special tour, and we will bring you along as much as we can.
That's awesome.
We have arrived. Some VB action with the sparkle wheels. Alright, 199 sticker. Yeah. Oh, that's their recce car. That's Bro, awesome. Look at the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Holy, that's the recce car.
We were lucky enough to be greeted by the Air Slayer and another monster build we'll talk about later. The rally nostalgia throughout the building is incredible. Unfortunately, a winning rally team can only share so many secrets, so they share what they can, and then the rest is under wraps. The facility in itself is so complete and impressive that it has to be the equivalent of UK's ProDrive. Special thanks to VSC for all the incredible hospitality we were shown. The tour really is something special. I highly recommend it to anyone in the area or any fan of the motorsport. Our timing was also pretty perfect as almost every car was in-house on display. Now I just can't do the Subaru fam like that and tease you with Project Midnight like this, so here's a little behind the scenes that I can show. Dude, this thing's badass. Alcon brakes, two-piece rotors. Looks like it's got the Rieger struts. Extra special thank yous go out to Ansira, Ricmotech, Subaru of America, Subaru Motorsports USA, and VSC Vermont Sports Car for showing us ultimate love in this amazing tour that they gave us. And of course, Subie Mods and 845Subie. Of course, had to complete my collection for now.